Hello friends, my name is Deepak Goyal. Today we will solve the problem ZeroMatrix. In previous video we also solved that problem, but we had taken Q, so our space complexity become O of n square. So in this video we will solve this problem by O of n space complexity. We will take two vectors to solve this problem. So let's start by taking an example. Uh, This is an example. This is given in lead code 111101 and 111. So instead of store its index number, we will declare two vector of size n and m, and now we will traverse this matrix, and whenever we will get 0, we will make its corresponding row and corresponding column index 0. So here we will get 0, so we will make its corresponding row 0 and corresponding column 0, and now there is no more 0. So after this, whenever after this we will traverse this row and column. Now we will make it row 0, means this row 0, and make it this column 0. Let's take another example. So now we will make two vectors or array of row and column. Now we will traverse this matrix. When we will get 0, we will make its corresponding column and corresponding row index 0. So we will traverse. So here is 0, so we will make it 0 and 0. Now 0, this is already 0. Now here we get 0. So this traversing is complete. Now we will traverse this row and this column vector, and when we will get 0, we will make it completely row 0, means after. Now we will traverse this row and this column. So we will traverse this row. So here we get 0, so we will make its corresponding row 0. So 0 0 0 0. Now here we get 0, so we will make its corresponding row completely 0. Same here as 0. Now we will traverse column, so we will make it 0 0 and 0, and rest of the elements will remain same. So this is 2. So now this is our final answer. So let's code it. So here is a code. First we define its size. So n is the row size, this, and m is the column size, means this. So after this, we declare two vectors, row and column, and we initialize with 1. After this, we traverse this matrix, and whenever we get 0, we make its corresponding row and column 0. Now after this traversing, we traverse this row vector, and whenever we get 0, we make its corresponding row completely 0. After this, we will traverse this column vector, and when we will get elements 0 of this column vector, we will make its corresponding column 0. Now remember one thing, why we are traversing this loop n times, not m times, because we are making this column 0. So what is the size of this column? 1 2 3 means equal to row size, so that's why we take n. And let's see above. Here we are making row as 0. So what is the size of row? Let's take another example. We are making like this row as 0. So what is the size of this row? 1 2 3 4 means equal to column, equal to column. So that's why we take here m and here n. Let's discuss its time and space complexity. Time complexity is O of n square, O of n into m, and space complexity is O of n plus m, because we. So in next approach, uh, we will take this first row and first column as a row vector and column vector. So our space complexity become O of 1 and time complexity remain O of n into m. So this approach you should try by yourself. Thank you.